the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouth water, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making oven baked steak fries. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 3 medium to large russet potatoes, 2 tablespoons of Italian seasoning, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, a half a teaspoon of pepper, 1.5 teaspoons of chili powder, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1.5 tablespoons of plain breadcrumbs, a half a cup of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese, the grated one. And guys, I will not be using salt, but you're welcome to add salt to your steak fries. Okay guys, as you can see, I have all my ingredients measured out. The first thing that we're going to do is cut our potatoes. Okay, when we cut our potatoes, we're going to cut straight down the middle. Once your potato is cut in half, all we're going to do is turn it over. And then we're going to go again and cut down straight in the middle. Now, on the side of your potato, all you're going to do is cut that down in the middle. Okay guys, as you can see, I cut my first potato into the wedges. So we're going to go ahead and cut the next 2 potatoes. Remember, I had large ones, that's why they're big. You can also use the medium size. Okay guys, next you want to get a bowl, and I've added some cold water. All I'm going to do is add my potato wedges in so they don't start to turn brown. And we're going to go ahead and let them soak. As you can see, the water is cloudy, so all we're going to do is dump the water out, and we're going to rinse our potatoes until the water runs clear. Then you're going to fill your bowl back up and let your potatoes soak again. Okay guys, while your potatoes are soaking, you want to grab a large bowl, and we're just going to start adding all our ingredients into it. So our Italian seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, chili powder. We have our breadcrumbs, our flour, our smoked paprika, our grated Parmesan cheese. So we're going to go ahead and mix that until it's well combined. You want to use a whisk when mixing. Now we're going to go ahead and add our half a cup of olive oil. And all you're going to do is mix that until well combined. Guys, if you need to add a little bit more olive oil, you can. Okay guys, once you're done mixing all your ingredients, all I'm going to do is grab some paper towels and we're going to dry our potato wedges off thoroughly. At this time you want to set your oven to 400 degrees. All we're doing right here is laying our potato wedges out onto a paper towel and it's just going to press down on them and dry them. Okay guys, once your potatoes are thoroughly dried off, all we're going to do is start to put them into our bowl. And guys, make sure your hands are clean. And all we're going to do is mix them after we get them all in there and make sure that they are thoroughly coated. You're just going to mix them in with your hand. Guys, as you're mixing your potato wedges, and if you're choosing to add salt at this time, be very careful how much you're adding, but this is the time to do it. As you're mixing, add a little bit in, mix it, add a little bit more until it's the way you like it. Next, we're going to get a baking sheet and we're going to line it with aluminum foil. Okay guys, I have my baking sheet lined with aluminum foil. All you want to do is get any kind of non-stick cooking spray. Any spray of your choice. Just go ahead and spray your pan. Now we're going to take our potato wedges and we're just going to put them on there with the skin down. And make sure they're nicely spaced out. Okay guys, remember to put your potato wedges with the skin down so the skin can get crispy, and make sure you leave some room in between each of the wedges so they can get nice and crispy while leaving the inside tender. So now we're going to go ahead and place them in our oven at 400 degrees for 40 to 50 minutes. Okay guys, so here we have it, our oven baked steak fries. They're done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please come back, please like and subscribe. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.